But the vegetarians.
As we were out hunting one morning in the spring, both hounds and horses running will make the hills and valleys ring. But to our great misfortune, no fox there could be found. And the huntsman cursed and swore, but still no fox lived on the ground. Up spoke the master huntsman at the head of the hounds rode in. Well, we have ridden full 3 hours, but no fox have we seen. And there is strength still in me, and I will have my chase. And if only the devil himself come by, we'll run him such a race. And then a plan sprung like lightning, a fox from out of his hole, and his fur was the colour of the starless night, his eyes like burning gold. We chased him over the valley, and we chased him over the field. We chased him down to the riverbank, but never would he yield. He's ran down to the water, and he swam to the other side. He laughed so loud the greenwood shook, then he turned to the huntsman and he cried, "Ride on, the gallant huntsman, when must I come again? Oh, never shall you want a fox to chase a lonely plain. And when your need is greatest, just call upon my name, and I will come, and you shall have the best of sport and game." All the men looked up in a wonder, and the hounds ran back to hide, for the fox had changed to the devil himself, where he stood at the other side. All the men, the hounds and the horses went flying back to the town, and down the hills came a little black fox, laughing as he ran. Ride on, the gallant huntsman, when must I come again? Oh, never shall you want a fox to chase a lonely plain.